Are you looking for a simple way to move your Outlook PST files into your G Suite account? WholeClear PST to G Suite Converter is the perfect solution to securely import your emails, contacts, calendars, and more into Google Apps without any hassle. Key features of PST to G Suite Converter. Complete PST file export. Transfer your entire Outlook PST mailbox in one go. Supports all PST types. Works seamlessly with both ANSI and Unicode PST files. No size limitations. Migrate even large PST files without restrictions. Easy to use. A straightforward interface designed for effortless migration. How it works, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Install WholeClear PST to Google Apps Importer on your system. Step 2. Select PST file format as the source. Step 3. Choose either folder mode or file mode to add PST files. Step 4. Select Export to G Suite account and click Next. Step 5. Enter your G Suite account login credentials. Step 6. Choose an existing folder or create a new one in G Suite to save the PST data. Step 7. Click Upload Now to start the migration. Once the process is complete, simply log into your G Suite account and access your entire Outlook mailbox anytime, anywhere, with complete ease. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.